Hi everyone, my name is Fiona. I'm from China. I provided the EPS machine and EPS mold products and solutions from China to other countries. On this video, I'm going to show you the steam engine saving equipment. I will introduce you two things. Number 1, photos and videos of 10 real EPS styrofoam factory who already installed our steam energy saving equipment in their own factory. Number 2, how you can benefit by using this equipment. Here we go. This is a big foam factory, so they are using the big capacity, horizontal type steam energy saving equipment. So, by using this equipment, they can recycle using the hot water from the EPS shipping molding machine. Also, they can recycle using the waste steam from the block molding machine and pre-expanding machine. They have total 2 sets of the 6-meter block molding machine and 8 sets of the shipping molding machine and 2 sets of pre-expanding machine. This is the typical EPS block factory, only producing the EPS block. They only have one block molding machine. The steam energy saving equipment was installed behind of the block molding machine to maximize using the steam. This is another factory. From this video, you can see that the steam energy saving equipment also installed behind of the block molding machine. This is another factory who owned 2 sets of the 6-meter block molding machine, and they actually installed 2 sets of the steam energy saving equipment to maximum using the steam. And the steam will be supplied both for the boiler and the dry room. This is another factory. This factory owned 2 sets of the pre-expanding machine, 1 block molding machine and 2 shaping molding machine. And they only has 1 big size vertical type steam energy saving equipment. This is another photo from another factory. This is another factory. This factory, they also installed the steam energy saving equipment beside of the molding machine. And if you don't have the if you do not have the space in the workshop, then you can also install this steam energy saving equipment outside. This is another equipment installed outside. This factory, they have quite high building, so they installed this steam energy saving equipment on the 2nd floor. This is the steam energy saving equipment in the workshop. And this is how it's packaged before exporting. On the left photo, we only using our steel frame to loading this equipment, because this equipment will be loading together with the EPS machine, so frame packaging is enough. On the right side, the customer only orders this device, and this device will mixing with the other goods from the other companies, so we call it LCL loading, so for safety transport. So we are using the plywood packaging. This is the photo showing how we're loading this equipment into the container. This is my happy client. Now let's focus on the benefit of this equipment. First, you can get the hot water instead of the cold water for your boiler for saving money. You can also heat in the dry loom with no extra cost because the waste steam is total enough to heating the dry loom. Heating the silo area up to 22 to 25 degrees to speed up the EPS bean aging time. So special in the winter to improve the production efficiency. So that's all. Thank you for your time. For more information for product, please contact with me by email or by mobile. Thank you for your time. Bye.